Hey, what's going on, folks? Good evening. This is another S Group daily review video. Yeah, review video number 51 now, guys. So a lot has happened over the weekend. First of all, though, we got our daily earnings for today on Monday, 0.41%. So I made $43.56 on my investment. Just mark that as red. So actually, I made a little bit of money on the weekend. $200 in my currency, Canadian. So what I did was, guys, instead of spending it on something crazy, I invested it in my S Group Forex investment. So my sponsor, I sent him the money, converted it to U.S. funds. He sent it to me in the converted U.S. funds. And then what I did, guys, is remember in the last video I had the one chunk investment. So I had this investment here. I took the money that I sent my sponsor. He sent it to me in the system. I made another investment, which was like I don't know, somewhere around 100 and around $200 or so. And then I combined those two investments. And then with the monthly earnings I had from this investment, it got shot up to the top here. And then what I did was I reinvested the money. I didn't take this money out. So I had $727 US, guys. I could have taken the money out, but no, I threw it back in the system because I want to make money on my money, and I want to keep growing my Forex account. So now I have these two running. So this new investment, guys, this takes one business day before it actually starts earning. Because as you see today, I only earned on my original big investment. So this one didn't earn today. It's going to earn tomorrow. And yeah, so both these two are going to be running at the same time, earning money. So with that being said, guys, remember I was excited about flipping over to 15,000, which have done now. So take this and this together, I'm like 15,112 or something like that. So I'm like $888 or so away from 16,000, guys. And when I get to that 16,000, what that means is I'm going to be making 300 US per week. And to show you guys, to prove that to you, I'm going to load the S Group calculator. And I'm going to plug in here. Just wait till this is, there we go. 16,000 earning at 10%. When you guys join S Group, I'll send you this calculator so you can kind of check everything out. So 16,000, 10% is usually the monthly earnings. And you'll see right here, guys, see my profit there is $1,200. So that means if you take $1,200 divided by 4, that's $300 per week. So I'm going to be making that starting off. And this is the projection, guys, for the next year. So this is basically, yeah, next month. So it'll be August. So we're in July right now. So that's August. We're making that. September, making that. October, making that. November, making that. And December, guys. So as you see, by December, I'll be making basically 1,600. So you know what that means? That's $400 US a week, guys. I'll be making all on autopilot. And as you see, as it goes down here, all the way down there, you'll see the projection. So if you look at this, it gets insane with if you look a year from now. So this is August this year, 2022. This is August 2023, guys. So I'll be making roughly about $3,000 US per month. Okay. So that is getting pretty insane. So that's about 700 and some odd dollars per week US. 1 year from now, guys, if I just leave it. Which in my currency, that's almost $1,000 Canadian because I'm up in Canada. So anyways, guys, getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Just wanted to give you a little update on my earnings today and my projections. So click on the subscribe button and the link down below so you can subscribe to my channel. and that way you can see all the updates and progress. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below so you can sign up and join my team, and shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below as well, guys. So thanks for taking the time to view this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.